Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to make a simple drip irrigation system. No electricity, no pump, just gravity and a few basic tools. With just a few easy steps and common materials, you can create an automatic watering system that's perfect for your plants. Let's take a look at the result first. The system works by using gravity. Water flows down from a raised bottle through a plastic tube and drips directly onto the soil. You can adjust the water flow speed depending on your plant's needs, fast or slow. It's up to you. First, take a plastic water bottle and make 2 holes in it, one for water to go in and one for water to come out. You can use a heated soldering iron to make the holes more easily and precisely. Next, you'll need a quick connector to attach the water bottle to the tube. Don't forget to install a rubber gasket or seal around the connector to prevent any water from leaking out of the plastic bottle. After that, connect the plastic water tube to the quick connector on the bottle, and then attach the flow control valve at the other end so you can adjust the drip rate to suit your plants. Finally, place the water bottle on a raised surface about 30 to 50 centimeters above your plants. Fill the bottle with water, then slowly open the valve and observe the water flow. If the water drips smoothly and there are no leaks, you can fine-tune the valve to control how fast or slow the water drips. Depending on the drip rate and bottle size, this setup can keep your plants hydrated for 1 to 3 days. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next DIY video.